So, I wasn't going to turn this into a video originally because it seems so easy after you figure it out, but just in case some of you are also wasting hours of your day trying to figure this out, here is how you update one of your assets from the marketplace, or fab as they call it now. Now, a lot of these assets that you get update with every new version of Unreal. Some of these assets are things that Epic themselves maintain, like as is for the gameplay animation samples. In 5.5, they added the ability to climb walls and crouch, and those things didn't really exist in 5.4, so obviously I wanted to update. But I couldn't figure out how, and when you asked for help, everyone was like, "What's the problem? Just update, bro." But if you go to the library and go to the website and look for an option to update your asset from 5.5 or 5.6, you find nothing. Even if you delete the old asset and download it again, you still get nothing. And even if you go outside to the raw folder and do the old update hack where you change the version of the engine, you will still not have the asset updated. And as it turns out, the way you actually update an asset is to go to the library, do not delete it. Instead, you hit this button called Remove Local, and then when you hit the Create Project button again, this time it will show you the option to update to the latest version. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.